translational motion and circular motion, uniform and non-uniform, were discussed in section 3 and 4. In this section, rotational motion will be introduced. A force acting on an extended object creates a torque that rotates it about a fixed axis. A solid object of finite physical size is known as a rigid body. The axis of rotation could be about the center of mass of the rigid body or about other points where it is pivoted. In this section, we will discuss the kinematics and dynamics of a rigid body, as well as the translational and rotational motion of a rigid body.